Obviously, it's important to understand that things cannot happen overnight. They will take time. But the choice of people, which has been put in, the Prime Minister has also included somebody, who's been part of the opposition in the past. So there is outreach across the aisle.
This is a great message to the people who are agitating. And Prime Minister has set an example that, there will be a change in the system and there will be a change in the system for good. Because it's not the first time the paper leak has happened. Let's not forget that. It is the 34th time. And as we speak, in last 7 days, there have been paper leaks in Punjab, Kerala, Karnataka, everywhere. But nobody is talking about it. Let's forget that. We are not discussing that today. But this is a clear message to the Gen Z that government has the right intention for the Gen Z. And that government must respect that. People should respect their government which they have chosen. And they should believe a little in it. When a task force is constituted, you don't raise the question that this person is not right and that person is not right. Because people are from the proven credentials. Can you replace Nandan Nilekani? Can you replace Somaji? That is the moot question. And when technology, when the furthering of technology, advancement in technologies, I would say a very simple thing which a layman can understand. And that is, why not for a paper like NEET have a bank of 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh questions and the students get it at the time when they are taking up the exams. They don't know which one of them is going to be, which 5 of them are going to be asked for them. And that can go added up every year. So what I'm trying to suggest is, having a technocrats in the panel task force makes the job of a government very, very simplistic and very, very, what we call it as a streamlined one. And now comes the question of this, the task force will make the report. But if the laws are not stringent, still you will have those paper leakers from X, Y, Z parties coming out and doing the same thing which they have been doing. And for that, there needs to be a constitutional provisions and which is going to come in this week, the week starting tomorrow. And there, the real test of Gen Z will come. The real test of Gen Z will come whether they will understand who is for the Gen Z, who is for the young Bharat, and who is not. That would be made clear with it.
Mr. Singh, this is a task force, not a committee. They are not observations which have been concluded in the past. Some of them have not been acted upon by various governments time and again. How must the government ensure that this task force is transparent, it communicates regularly, because that's what the Gen Z ideology is, that communication is going to reduce any kind of a misunderstanding. How are all these tenets important, sir, for this task force to succeed?
See, other panelist has already told about political aspect, the Gen Z aspect. What I'm going to tell you here is, see, without getting emotional, we need to